Hello everyone. Today's story is very powerful and full of life lessons. It will teach you why every second of your life is precious and how even a small step can change your future. So, let's begin today's inspiring story. In a city, there lived a young man named Michael. Michael was very smart and intelligent. He had big dreams and wanted to achieve something great in life. But he had one big weakness. Whenever he faced a problem or failed at something, he lost hope. He stopped working, sat alone, and wasted days and even weeks feeling sad. He always thought, when my mood gets better or when good days come, I will start working again. I still have my whole life ahead of me. Because of this habit of laziness and delaying things, Michael fell far behind his friends. They kept moving forward, but Michael stayed in the same place. One day, after another big failure, Michael was sitting in a park with his head down. His heart was full of sadness. He was sitting quietly, without a phone, with both hands resting naturally by his sides, lost in his thoughts. Nearby, a wise old man dressed in white was watching him. He walked over, gently placed his hand on Michael's shoulder and said, "My son, why are you wasting this precious moment by sitting here in sadness?" Michael replied sadly, "Sir, I know I am smart, but whenever I face a problem, I break down. Everyone tells me not to waste time, but I don't understand. If I stay sad for a few days, what difference does it make? I still have plenty of time." The old man smiled and said, "Come, let me tell you the story of a wealthy merchant who realized the value of time when it was too late." The old man began. "A long time ago, there lived a rich and proud merchant. He had money, land, and many servants, but he had one bad habit. He always delayed important work until tomorrow. He used to say, 'I have so much money that I could even buy time.' One night, while he was alone in his beautiful palace, a strange figure suddenly appeared in his room. It was the angel of time. In the angel's hand was an hourglass filled with golden sand. The merchant was frightened and asked, 'Who are you? Why are you here?' The angel replied in a calm voice, 'I am your time. I have come to tell you that this is the last night of your life. Every grain of sand falling in this hourglass is part of the little time you have left. When the last grain falls, your life will end." The merchant started shaking. "No, that can't be true. I still have many businesses to manage. I still want to do so much for my family. I will give you half of my wealth. Please give me just one more year." The angel slowly shook his head. "You spent your whole life believing you had plenty of time. You kept delaying the most important things. Today, all your wealth cannot buy even one extra second." A few moments later, the last grain of sand fell, and the merchant took his final breath. Even with all his wealth, he could not buy a single second more of life. The old man looked into Michael's eyes and said, "Michael, you think it is okay to stop everything whenever life becomes difficult. You believe that wasting a few days does not matter. But remember, the sand in your own hourglass is falling every second. No amount of money in the world can bring back the time that has already passed. Winning against laziness and sadness is not magic. It is about winning one small battle every single day. Successful people are not those who never face problems. They are the ones who keep moving forward even during difficult times." The old man's words touched Michael's heart. He realized that his laziness and hopelessness were destroying the most valuable thing in his life, his time. He kissed the old man's hand with respect and made a promise to himself. "My secret will not be magic. My secret will be the 5 minutes I win every day against my laziness. I will never let my problems control my time again." From that day on, Michael never looked back. Whenever he felt sad or hopeless, he remembered the hourglass and immediately got back to work. As a result, he overcame his struggles and became a highly successful man. Moral of the story: friends, always remember that one small step today can lead you to great success tomorrow. Never ignore your laziness. Control it before it controls your life. If you enjoyed this story and learned something valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and life-changing stories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.